So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on Kavinhfx. So in today's video I would like to share my daily analysis guys. Okay, after so long I'm sharing my daily analysis. So yeah, today's video is about my daily analysis for USD index and GBPUSD guys. Okay, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, in my weekly forex forecast, okay, when the market was here, I told you guys that I'm expecting a buy. Yeah, market did give us a buy guys. Okay, market went down and then market gave us a buy guys. So what's my move for USD index? I'm a still buyer guys. I'm still buyer. We have another 3 days guys. Okay, today, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, I'm hoping the market might come here guys. I'm hoping for the market to come here guys. Okay, and as you guys can see, market didn't engulf this candle here. Okay, if market engulf, if a sell candle engulfs, we can expect a drop. For an example, this, okay, we expect a drop, but this market didn't engulf here. So what am I expecting is market opened below. So I'm expecting market to engulf this sell candle, this buy candle to engulf this sell candle, and then I would like to see the market moving up tomorrow or until Friday guys. Okay, that's my move for USD index. So for USD index, I'm a buyer guys. I don't want to drag it along. So for USD index, I'm a buyer. So for GBPUSD, I'm a seller. Okay guys, okay, for GBP, let me move to H1. Okay, market came to our zone guys. Okay, market came to our zone here. Market came to our zone. I asked you guys to layer, okay, in my IG. If you guys followed my IG, you guys would have made almost 160 pips guys. Okay, you guys would have made 160 pips there. If you are watching my weekly forex forecast video, you guys would have made only 90 pips here guys. Okay, 90 pips or 80 pips guys, it's up to you. But in my IG, okay, let me show you what I did guys. Okay, so you guys can see here, when the market was in a zone, I asked you guys to start layering now. Okay, layer means if you're having $100 account, okay, your minimum money management, you have to just put until 2 cent guys. Okay, 0.01 cent, another 0.01 cent. So layering means if the market is in our zone, you can place 0.01 cent first. Okay, not your full amount, your 0.01 cent. And if market moves up a bit, you guys can place another 0.01 cent guys. That's what layering means. And yeah, market was in the zone. Still the market is in the valid zone. Market was ranging, as you guys saw on the chart itself just now. Market was in the zone. I asked you guys to layer, and then market start dropping guys. Once US session was open, market start dropping 20 pips, 35 pips, and then finally 80 pips guys. Okay, 80 pips, 800 points guys. Okay, so 80 plus 70 pips, it's almost guys 80 plus 70 pips guys. Okay, 80 plus 70 is almost 150 pips here guys. Okay, 150 pips, 1500 points. That's a lot guys actually. Okay, I made a lot of profit from there. A lot of you guys were messaging my IG here, my IG fam. They were very grateful for this analysis guys that I shared. Okay, so yeah, it's just the same guys. Okay, I shared my understanding on weekly forex forecast video, on my forex forecast video, and then I shared my same understanding on IG guys. That's why if you guys haven't followed my IG, as you guys can see in the screen itself, Kavinhfx here. Okay, so you guys can see, just follow my IG here guys. Okay, I'll be sharing my understanding, and if you guys have any doubt, you guys can ask me your doubts in my IG here guys. Okay, if you guys want to contact me personally, you guys can contact me through my IG. So yeah, what's my move for GBPUSD today? So GBP after a nice drop guys, it's almost 1000 pips, but I asked you guys to layer from here itself. So yeah, it's almost from here to here, it's almost 90 pips guys, 90 80 pips. Okay guys, that's actually a lot guys. Okay, so yeah, what's my move for GBP? So yeah, market has respected this area here. Okay, market has respected this area. Okay, so I'm gonna change my horizontal line to this area guys. So my move is, if GBP, if the market starts moving up to this zone here, you guys can start layering guys. Okay, you guys can start taking your sell position here, because why? There's a nice buy candle here guys. Okay, I mean market has lifted us a nice indication candle. There's 4 indicating buy candle here guys. Okay, market can come here, and this is a strong place for us to see another sell down guys, another sell on this pair. So what's my move? I like to see the market coming here. Okay, if the market comes to this zone, okay, let me just increase this guys. Okay, so till here guys, if market starts moving to our zone between here, you guys can start layering. But remember guys, currently we are in the war situation right now. Anything can happen. If a news comes out, market can go against our analysis. That's why if you are making profit, make sure to set break even and your stop profit guys, and make sure to set stop loss. Okay, so our stop loss for this trade is, I'm gonna give around 136,500 guys. Okay, if you are placing your order here, it's more than 30 pips guys. Okay, why? Because if the market breaks the zone, also market can come again to identify this high, and then market can start going down guys. That's why my stop loss is there, and my stop loss is not very big guys. Okay, it's just 30 pips, and your reward is very big guys. Okay, from here I'm giving your TP around 135,400. Okay, Before that 135,700. Okay, from this zone to this zone is almost 40-50 pips already here. And then your second TP, your final TP, it's around 135,400, guys. Okay, don't be very greedy. If you're making profit, just set your break even, guys. So yeah, that's all for today's analysis, guys. I don't want to drag it, guys. Okay, I don't want to drag it. I'm currently in a rush, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. I would like to see the market coming to this zone. Okay, market's right now going to that zone right now. So if market's between this zone, you guys can start layering, guys, and then your TP according to here what I mentioned just now, 135,750 and then 135,400, guys. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. If you guys have any doubt, kindly comment down in the comment box below. And if you guys want to follow me on IG, so you guys can see in the screen itself, Kavinhfx, just follow me on IG there, guys. Adios and bye bye, guys.